Here Rodrigo 5, happy workout Monday. The first day of the week. Come back after an injury is the worst. I feel heavy, lazy, you name it. Oh! Especially today, finally, it's a sunny day. So I'm gonna get the energy from the sun, and I'm gonna put my headphones to boost my motivation with music. And I'm gonna do this in superset today, and it's gonna destroy me. It's gonna destroy me with one superset, guys. Never give up. Keep pushing and keep pulling every day, no matter what. So my injury, I got my injury like 3 weeks ago doing weighted push-up with one arm. I was like 52 pounds, like 3 vests, and I destroyed my shoulder, my right shoulder right here, and now it's like really painful. But I'm gonna restart working out with this incredible superset. Never give up, guys. Let's go. Feet over 40, 44 years old. Let's go. And another thing that I'm gonna say, if you train for a year, 2 years, and you don't see results, change how you work out. Let's see how it goes. Right now I'm recharging myself with the sun. Let me check it in some cooling. It's pretty hot right now, yes. And I'm gonna boost with the music. Let's go, guys. Let's get the superset. Keep pushing, keep pulling every day. Every day. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Now, the song. Let's go.
You don't wanna see me mad, I'll be coming with that payback. You don't wanna taste that, don't wanna see me on attack. Trust me, you don't wanna face that adrenaline, I crave that. Yeah, you know I'm nasty, I'm about to be a savage. When I want it, better have it. Nothing's getting past me, about to take this to the mat, and you'll be wishing you could take it back, yeah. Like an assassin, I'm praying, I gotta act on a craving. I'm coming after, I'm chasing, I'm gonna capture, erasing. Yeah, those who cross me, you'll be crossed off, cause I'm plotting, about to pop off. You can't stop me, winning is exhausting, but I don't plan on stopping, as long as they keep talking. I got these bodies dropping, as long as they keep walking. I'll keep making deposits, they'll find out they can't stop it, cause they'll learn that I'm a prophet. Yo, I'm seeing all red, got my vision blurry from the anger in my head. I'll never be second best, they gon' learn today what it feels to regret. You can't stop me now, the demons tearing now. Cause I'm seeing all red. Second best, they gon' learn today what it feels to regret. You can't stop me now, the demons tearing now. All the colors in your name,
restart. Yes. Never give up, guys. Keep training hard. Yes, we can. This is a motivation set. Quick. See you guys next time. Yes, you can.